Hey guys, so today, as you may have already known from Amazon, I ordered a couple of dot connectors for the iPod Touch, or iPod, iPhone, whatever. Anything that has a 30-pin connector. And I also ordered a stylus, and I'll tell you pricing at the end. So here's the package they sent to me. It's just this little part right there, sent from Markham, Ontario. This isn't directly from Amazon, this is just from a separate shipper that I bought through Amazon. And it says 2 USB IPW plus pen. So we'll crack this open. These were really cheap. I got the dock connectors for 35 cents, and I bought the stylus for a cent. But it was like $10 shipping. But someone had to try it out. I couldn't find any information on this. There was one review said it worked fine with the iPhone 4, so that's really tough package. Alright, so here we'll just open it up. So we have our connectors and my stylus. So it's not like what it looked like, but cool. So let's try one of these. Let's try one of these in my iPod Touch. These are definitely not Apple, directly from Apple. These are from a different company. So these do have the little connectors. So some people like those, some people don't. I personally am not sure because I've never really used the ones with the pins. So we'll just plug that in. I'll go down here to my little power brick down there. See that? And they work. So you can see my iPod's charging. So that's awesome. I'm glad to have these. I'll let you know later if you can sync it with a computer, because that would be nice, of course, to have. Because of course, you know, I'm going to be using them for charging mostly, but if I do want to use it for the computer, I can. So there's that. Now we'll try the stylus. Now hopefully it'll work with the screen protector. So how do you get this thing off? Oh, maybe it's just this end. Oh yeah, it is. It's kind of a rubbery. Yeah, I don't think it works best with a screen protector. Oh. Don't think it works best with a screen protector. But yeah, I mean, like, it's kind of cool, I guess. If you don't have a screen protector, I'm not terribly satisfied with it, but hey, you know, maybe it could be a good thing. Yeah, so anyway, that's unboxing and short, quick review, instant review of my order and these dot connectors. And so another thing I wanted to say is I ordered an accessory package. If you don't already know, ordered an accessory package. I'm really excited. I'm waiting for this to come in from another separate shipper from Amazon. This one could take a little bit longer. I'm hoping to get it tomorrow, but yeah, so I'll have a review once that comes out, and it's got all this stuff really cheap. So yeah, thanks for watching.